Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video. As you guys can see by the look of the title, I will be showing you guys how I do my no makeup look, which is this one right here that you guys are seeing. So pretty much like it looks like I'm not wearing makeup, but I really am. I'm wearing pretty much like all the steps that you can think of for a face, upset eyeshadows of course. This makeup is literally so fast, so easy to do. Like it really requires no technique or anything. Literally it's just about enhancing your own features. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do that, all of the products that I really recommend from the drugstore, so you don't have to go out and spend like $100 moisturizer that's going to make your skin look better. No, you don't need that. I got you guys. I got you covered with the drugstore products, so you guys will all know about all these products here. But yeah, these products that I use, I highly recommend them. They do the job and your face looks really beautiful. So this is the type of makeup look that I like to do whenever I don't have time to do my makeup, but I still want to look a little presentable, as if I just woke up like this. Yes, I'm beautiful. What the heck do you want to talk about? You know, so like this is literally the type of makeup look that I just put on for that. And then also sometimes if I don't know, you say you want to just go out and run some errands, but you don't want to wear so much makeup, and you don't want to be like worrying about like if it's gonna be a little cakey or not, and so you just want something fast, very easy. So this is the type of makeup look that you will do. This is the type of makeup looks that I do whenever I'm hangover the next day, because I don't want to do my makeup. I don't want to like anything, but I still want to look like I'm not dead, like I am surviving, you know. So I do this makeup look. So yeah, those are the reasons why I sometimes always do this makeup look. You know, you guys have seen it on my vlog channel if you guys follow me. Sometimes I just put on a little bit of mascara. I don't do always like the same exact steps. Sometimes I might just skip the whole foundation and just do my brows and mascara. Or maybe I'm just not even going to wear a lipstick. I'm just going to wear chapstick. Or maybe I'm just not even going to wear mascara. I'm just going to do my foundation and that's it, you know, type of thing. So it's just kind of like it varies like how I'm feeling. But if you want to do the whole shebang, this is what I'm gonna show you guys how to do today. So I really hope that you guys like it. It's also perfect for mommies, you know, if you just want to something quick, easy, just to enhance your features, not look, you know, tired or whatever. This is perfect for you guys. And also like for school, if anybody is a student here and you just want something quickly, you know, that it doesn't require so much of your time in the mornings and everything, this is also perfect. So there's like millions of reasons why this makeup look works for everyone. So yeah, but before we jump into the video, you guys, if you guys are still not part of this birdie family and would like to join, don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that ring notification. Very important, that way every time I upload new videos, you guys can all be notified. But yeah, I think that's it. I don't want to make this video too long. Anyways, I'm gonna shut up and we're gonna get started. Okay, so here is what we're working with. So as you guys can see, my big issues when it comes to like when I want to do the no makeup look, I just want to fix like the skin tone, because it's all uneven. I want to cover up my under eye circles. I want to make my brows a little bit more full, like because there's like some sparse areas here. So it's just very tiny, minimal, like little things that we need to do, but it's just not so much. So I'm literally just going to use very little products here, and it's not going to be a lot of products on our face. It's going to be very like very sheer products, you could say. But yeah, so that's what we're going to do. And that's what we're going to fix. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my face. I'm going to use this one from Maybelline. This is the Master Prime Primer to hydrate and smooth the skin. The skin is always naturally kind of like a little dewy, you know, like more radiant, because you don't ever wake up with your skin matte. Like that just never happens. So we're not going to use a primer that's going to make your skin matte or anything. No, we're going to use just something to kind of smooth out our skin, make it look better, if you know what I mean. So that's why I'm going to use this one. Okay, now that we have our primer, now we can move on to the foundation. Now, I found the perfect foundation, you guys. And I found it by accident because, let me just be real honest with you guys. I tried filming my first impression with this foundation from Maybelline. This is the Dream Satin Liquid Foundation. Since it's a foundation, it also has a very hydrating serum. And it does. So, when I was trying it out, I was so pumped about it and everything. But once I applied it, I realized this foundation does nothing to the skin, but actually just even out your skin tone with a very super light coverage. And at the same time, like it just kind of like, how can I explain it? Like it just makes the skin look a little better, you know, like more radiant. So I was just like, oh my god, this is like literally the perfect foundation for the no makeup look. So which is why I want to use it for today's video and let you guys know why it would work for this. But yeah, that's literally all I would say this foundation works, unless you're the type of person that really does not like no full coverage foundations whatsoever, or no coverage foundations, which makes no sense sometimes, because I'm just kind of like, if you're gonna use foundation, it's because you want coverage, you know what I mean? But this one just has super light coverage, like it just makes your skin so much better. So that's the reason why I'm going to use this, and I'm just going to apply it with a kabuki brush. And by the way, I'm using the color number 60, which is sandy beige. You guys can still see all of my freckles, you know. You can kind of, you know, peek through a little bit of my skin, still like my real skin, but it just gives you like such a sheer coverage that it just makes it so perfect for this type of like look, you know. So that's why I was like completely shocked when I applied it at first, because I was just kind of like, where's the coverage of this foundation, because I don't see it. But then I thought, like, you know what, it kind of did even out my skin tone. It makes it look really, really hydrating and just very radiant. So I was just like, okay, this actually might work just for the days that I don't want to like wear makeup, you know. So yeah, it's like literally the perfect foundation for this. But now for my concealer, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution concealer. This one is in the color C7, and I'm just going to apply a very tiny little bit. I'm going to make it just go down and then one line across, and that's it. Now I'm just going to blend it out. And this is going to help us just to kind of like make the under eye a little bit, not only like obviously conceal the dark circles, but at the same time kind of like brighten up this under eye, kind of make it look like you just got a little facelift, you know what I mean? So that's why I apply it going down and then across, because it really does help. And at the same time, kind of like, it's not a lot of product, so it's just enough to do that, so you're not all caked up or anything. So now to set, I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution banana powder. I'm just going to apply this normally in the areas where I know for a fact my foundation might rub off or either crack or just something. And that usually is my facial expression line. So like when I smile here, when I get mad or like I'm confused, like these lines right here. And then of course my concealer. So these are the only areas where I'm going to actually set it, because everywhere else I really don't need to set it. I mean, pretty much it's just like already settling down. So that's why I really like this foundation too, because you can just leave it as it is and it'll look good. And I'm just gonna apply this very lightly, like just dust it on, and you know, that's it. Like I'm not really gonna bake with this or anything, just very lightly apply a little bit of this powder and that's it. Now that we have our base down, now we're gonna do a little bit of bronzing, just so enough we can just give a little bit of color to our skin. We don't want it to look just completely all pale. And then of course also just kind of like, you know, give it a little contour. We want to give it dimension. We don't just want to look like a circle, you know what I mean? So we're gonna give it a little contour, and I'm gonna use like a brush like this one that's angled, but very, very like, not like the bristles are not like as tight as they are, just a little bit more loose, if you know what I mean. So this one, like for example, is the R4 from Morphe. So for my bronzer, I'm actually gonna use the this palette again. This one's from Ruby Kiss. You guys already saw me use it, and it's so freaking good, because it just gives you enough coverage, you know what I'm saying? Like, remember I told you guys it's like not as intense, but it still did the job. So I like it for this type of makeup look. So that's why I kept this one, because I was just like, okay, I can make this one work. All right, there we go. Not too crazy. And now for our highlight, I'm going to use this one from Wet n Wild. This one is like one of my favorite highlighters too. But this one is the Bronze Over the Rainbow. And I'm just going to apply this literally just on the highest points, not going all the way down and up. Like, just literally like on the highest points of my face, the nose, not the bridge of my nose, kind of just more up here, you know, and a little bit on the Cupid's bow, the brow bone, of course. So just a little bit, just enough so we can like, you know, make the skin look nice and glowy, you know, because that's usually how the skin is. All right, so just enough. We don't want to go too crazy, you know what I mean? So now I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to take my CoverGirl brow pencil. This one is in the color Rich Brown. So this is what it looks like. I used this actually for my first impressions, and it worked so freaking good that I really love this, you guys. So I'm gonna use this to fill in my brows, and I'm just gonna do it very lightly. I don't want to go all crazy, just kind of fill in mostly the sparse areas. I don't want to make it like nice and bold like I always do, so I'm just gonna literally go in there with a very light hand. Okay, there we go. Brows are done. What do you guys think? It's not too exaggerated, right? Because sometimes I think that I'm doing it more like on the natural side, and it's like, no, I get a little carried away. So next, I'm gonna work on my lashes. I'm gonna try to curl them just because like they're not existent at this point right now. So yeah, so I'm gonna have to curl them and then apply mascara. So for my mascara, I'm gonna use this one from L'Oreal. This is the Lash Paradise Mystic Black Mascara. It's so amazing because it doesn't make your lashes super long or like crazy voluminous, but it just separates the lashes so nicely and makes them look more awake, if you know what I mean. The thing is that I focus on with this makeup look is not to have crazy looking lashes. Like, we don't want the spider looking lashes, and we also don't want them to be too dramatic, if you know what I mean. So this one just does exactly like what I want. Like, it just separates them, makes them look super like natural, if you could say, but just obviously a lot blacker and thicker, but not as like crazy voluminous or anything like that. So that's why I like this mascara. There we go. See, not too crazy, but just enough so they can look like they're there. I also applied a little bit just on my bottom lashes, but not too crazy, just because we don't want them to, you know, have so much mascara on our eyes. Like, just enough, you know. So yeah, the very last thing is our lips. Now for my lips, I'm gonna take actually my foundation brush and just kind of like stipple a little bit of the remaining foundation all over my lips, because we're not really gonna use a very pigmented lipstick or anything. So we're just gonna do this. So for my lipstick, this one, I have actually shown you guys this lipstick back in one of my no makeup looks from like years ago, but it's seriously one of the best like lipsticks when you want to do this makeup look. But this is the Revlon lipstick in the color 840, which is Honey Bear. It is so freaking like sheer and beautiful. Like, you could barely even see it, but it just gives you a little hint of a nude lipstick, but it's very, very sheer, as you guys can see, and it just makes the lips look really, really hydrating because this formula is amazing. So we're gonna use this one. All right, my loves, so there you have it. Here is what the final makeup look looks like. Like I said, it kind of doesn't really seem like we have so much going on, but this is my no makeup look. You know, just kind of pretty much enhancing our features, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so let me know what you guys think, and if you guys want to try it out, send me your pictures. I would love to know how your guys' no makeup looks turn out. So don't forget to tag me if you post them on Instagram, or just send them to my Twitter. I'm always active on Twitter, so let me know if you guys do it and send me your picture there. But yeah, so if you guys liked the video, please don't forget to give me your guys' thumbs up. As always, if you guys believe that we can and we will make a difference, and you guys still haven't subscribed, then don't forget to be part of the Birdie family by subscribing, and don't forget to hit that rainbow notification. That way, every time I upload any videos, you guys can be notified. But yeah, I think that's it, my love. So thank you guys so much for watching me today. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye! Mwah. Here is my before picture. Oh, I needed my before picture. Let me just start all over. Now to set it, I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution. Hola mis amores, bienvenidos de nuevo a mi canal. Hoy os... Ay, de su puta madre, tengo un hambre y estoy hangover. I can't think, I don't know what to do. Córtale.